So I'm gonna be going live with none other than Sunny Leone and of course the Milap Zaveri, the maker of the movie Masti Zade, and I think it's gonna be pretty crazy. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There's Aisha Zaveri, who's Milap's mom, who's watching the interview, and she. Hi mom, hi mom. So you know the first thing that she asked after seeing me for 2-3 minutes, she got pissed off, I think, looking at me. So she's like, "Sikka kab hilega?" As in interview kab start hoga. That's what she wrote. That was her first comment.
ये सिक्का है, मुझे हिलाना है. This is the sikka of Masti Zade mom. This is beautiful Sunny. This is Masti Zade 29 January.
So which is heads and which is tails?
Well, you decide.
I think let Sunny decide. Guys, we've got a Sunny Sikka that's here right now. And let Sunny decide what is heads and what is tails.
We'll make it pretty obvious. If I'm on one side, we'll make that heads. Because there's a head there.
Right.
And then this will be the tail.
Oh, so Masti Zade is a tail.
Yeah.
Quickly give a shout out to all your fans who are watching you right now.
Hi everybody, thanks for joining the chat. And I hope you all go watch Masti Zade on the 29th.
Is he really Masti mein sabka baap?
Yes, he is. Completely.
मैं गंदा बच्चा हूँ, मैं बाप कैसे
Yeah,
बन
look
गया?
how cute he is. You think that he's not going to be so bad, but he is.
Teach the dance steps of Masti Zade. देखेगा राजा ट्रेलर के पिक्चर दिखा दो. That's the dance step that's driving India crazy.
Can we do that once more?
Yeah. देखेगा राजा ट्रेलर के पिक्चर दिखा दो.
Why are you shying away from Milap Zaveri? Why is Sunny Leone shying away from Milap Zaveri?
After so much time, I kind of see Milap as like a family member. So if one of my family members does something outrageous and crazy, I get a little embarrassed.
So Sunny, what's the craziest thing that you've done while you were filming Masti Zade?
I think the craziest thing would be the car wash scene.
Yeah.
Because it was like hundreds of people around and I had to pretend that the car and me were like...
She felt bad for the car. This story where the car. Let's get serious. The whole while making Masti Zade, we were also making a documentary side by side. It was about this car that hadn't been washed since childhood.
Okay.
And the tears of the car would create smudges on its sides. And the car calls out to someone, "Please wash me." And then Sunny comes like the knight in shining armor, and she washes the car. So it's a story of fulfillment of helping someone who needs help. So it's a very beautiful, Aisha, just shut up.
While he was talking, I figured that Milap's gone back to his school days. Autobiography of a car, which has not been watched for ages. And then suddenly there comes Sunny Leone. How cool
We all want to be cars.
I don't have a comment for this.
Most funny thing that you find in this costume?
The balloons.
No, not you. It's Sunny who has to say.
No, I do. I find the balloons, the boys. Balloons.
Balloons? And why do you find the balloons funny?
Because they have booby balloons.
You just said the word booby. It was a booby trap and you walked into it.
Oops. I really want to know, what was it like when Milap was actually showing it to you, that these are your dialogues and this is how you have to recite those dialogues?
If Milap showed everybody, probably
I'll show her.
did it better than I did.
I mean, she did it better than me. I don't know what to do.
She's like freaking out right now.
I'll do freaking out right now.
Yeah.
तुम चाहो तुम चाहो
I want to get out of the
No, you're not doing anything.
Well, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Right, yeah.
तुम चाहो तो तुम भी मेरा दूध पी सकते हो. ठंडा है, ताजा है, मलाई से भरा हुआ है.
And Sunny's like,
but didn't Sunny do it 1 million times better than me? I mean, please, yeah.
That was better.
There's no way.
It was at least funnier.
yeah, it was actually funny. Look at her, she's already got tears in her eyes. She'll have to go for a touch-up once again, all because of you.
Did you look into his eyes when he was talking?
No, I didn't have the guts to look into his eyes. I mean, I couldn't do that.
Mom, I hope you'll allow me to come home today. I did not change the locks on the house. And my wife Gauri, if you're watching this, milk has vitamins, minerals.
Stop.
Okay, trying to be so convincing right now.
He says it in Hindi better, but you're not going to have a chance to complain.
I think you should say.
Yeah, you should say.
Say.
शिकायत का
Look. शिकायत का मौका नहीं देंगे.
शिकायत का मौका नहीं देंगे.
That's so cool, Sunny. So, अभी आगे चल के क्या plans है? Because the film is a couple of weeks away from the release right now. So, what plans?
Well, the plans are to touch wood, spread the message hilau the sikkas and hope that on 29 January, all of y'all, the audiences coming to theatres, they love Sunny, they love Tushar, Veer, the whole cast, and they get their sikkas worth.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sikka Vasool Entertainment.
Sikka Vasool Entertainment, that's
I think that
absolutely
what
right.
they're going to be seeing on television and the promos and everything is just the tip of the iceberg, because there's so much stuff in this movie, and it's a great story at the end of the day. You're going to meet my wacky crazy family, which you've seen in Kiga Raja trailer. Yay!
She loves to do that, I guess.
There's a lot to pull.
Thank you so much, Sunny. Last piece of message for all your fans who are watching you right now.
Hey everybody, catch Masizade 29th January. I hope to see all of the movie theaters and with your cinemas. See ya!
Woohoo! Thank you so much, Sunny Leone, Milabs Zaveri, for talking to us on The Fame App.